how to find your Cash App's QR code. Now you can actually find a QR code which was basically just like your Cashtag, so that people can scan it and send you money. Especially if you're a business owner, you want to find a QR code and display it in front of your business or in a shop or on a website or anywhere else, you could absolutely do that. Just launch Cash App, and normally this is the interface you will see. Normally by default you're already on this dollars icon where you can use to send or receive money, right? But this is not only about this. If you look carefully on the top left, you'll find a little QR scanner icon. So you can just tap on this QR scanner icon right here, and when you tap on it, by default it will take you to a page where you can scan someone else's QR code. But we want to find our own QR code, so for that right here you can see the option called My Code. So instead you want to switch to My Code, and this is your Cash App QR code, which you can, by the way, just tap on the share button right here, and then you should be able to share the link to someone, maybe on WhatsApp or anywhere else, to anybody for that matter. So this way you should be able to find your Cash App QR code. I hope this video was really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.